There are so many misconceptions when it comes to growing. What would you say are some misconceptions about the organic water only method?
That's a great question. I think one of the things that I hear the most is some people don't want to grow organic because somehow they think that it's harder than synthetic. That may be for some people. For me, I find it easier because you don't have to do, the nutrient ritual that you have to do every time that you feed, depending on if you do feed every time, like we're talking about, or feed, water feed, whatever it is. But to me, it's just the easiest way to doing it because you're only going to be doing your dry amendments every 3 or 4 weeks. Other than that, all you're doing is putting if you're hand watering, obviously you're hand watering every day. But other than that, if you're using a reservoir, you just fill up your reservoir once a week or once every 8, 9 days, depending on, how big your reservoir is. So I think probably the biggest misconception is that it's harder than synthetic. Another one is some people think for whatever reason that you don't get great terpenes unless you use like synthetic. That's not the case at all. With organic, you're going to get great terpene profile. For some people, they think that you're not going to be getting like a lot of trichomes. I don't know why that is. Some people, when I told them I was going to grow organic, some people were like, well, why would you do that? You can just use synthetic newts. I'm like, but why do you think that's better? I don't know why some people think that growing with synthetically is better, or you're going to get a better result than growing organically. To me, it's easier. It's natural. You know what you put into it, so you know what's coming out of it, and you get a great product. So I don't understand why some people feel, but this is the internet age, and you heard it on the internet, must be true.
It sounds like he's welcoming debates in the comment section. So if you want to prove him wrong, comment below.
Organic sucks. Where's the Athena?
Oh man, that's funny. Okay, so a few more questions here for you. Beginners, right? There are a lot of folks that are just getting started with this method. Talk to us. What advice do you have for the beginners that are just getting started doing the water only organic method?
I think the main thing is just try it. Just try it one time and see if you like it. If you're somebody who is very busy, because there's a lot of people that's growing as a hobby, you got work and you got kids and you got your daily life that you got to worry about. I think that organic is something that would really work for you because I'm gonna be honest with you guys. There's a lot of times because I have a bunch of different channels, and the bigger that you get, the more opportunities that you get. So I'm doing a lot of different things now. And so there's some times where if you guys follow my videos, then you know that I update you every week. So when you watch my videos, you see, day 7 veg, day 14 veg, day 21 veg. Sometimes in between there, I don't even open up the tent. I don't even check the plants or anything. That's what you can do with organic, because all you're going to be doing is filling up your reservoir with the water. And obviously, you do have to do some defoliation. We didn't talk about that, but we still do our defoliation. I still do lollipopping. One thing that I don't know that we brought up or not, I've been getting way better results as far as yield for people worrying about yield whenever I don't do any training, as opposed to I got plenty of growths where I've put up the trellis, we're weaving the branches through and everything. You know what the deal is. But I'm getting a way better yield by just letting the plants naturally do what it does. I top them one time and that's it. So, I mean, it's really about finding whatever works for you. But I'm trying to tell you guys, organic, no low stress training, just lollipop, no trellis. If they need to, you can use bamboo stakes or whatever, or you can use the trellis to hold them up. But I'm saying as far as training, don't do any of that stuff. You can get a great result just using water. It's super easy. It's like the easiest way to grow. And for a lot of you guys that don't have a green thumb, you think you don't have a green thumb, you should really try this organic water only method because it's probably going to be the easiest way for you to get a successful growth.
This clip was brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrowIt15 to save on any of their gardening products.